Hello guys, and welcome to this video. Today I will show with you step by step how to activate your Saily eSIM on your iPhone. So guys, the first step you need is you should be purchase an eSIM plan and click check your eSIM plan. As you can see here, your SIM is Saily view payment was successfully. This is first step here. And the step 2 guys, you should be click install eSIM, as you can see here. And after that guys, you will be redirected to iPhone setting and click allow to activate prompt and continue with activation, and this is take a few minutes to activate your eSIM. As you can see here, allow, and the SIM is activate. And after that guys, you will return to the Saily app and you will receive notification to confirm eSIM has been installed, as you can see here. And guys, before traveling, you should you will be sure to activate your plan and activate require internet connection, as you can see here. And here you will receive the notification, and this is how you can do guys. I hope this video helpful for you. See you on another video soon.